Hey guys, we are back again, South Bay Ford, and today I'm going to give you a POV walk around of the 2021 Ford Mustang 2.3 liter. Give you a little idea of what we're looking at. This MSRP for this one is $33,190. If you have headphones on, throw those headphones on because you'll be able to hear it with 3D sound exactly like test driving the vehicle. I'll start off by giving you a quick walk around and then we'll hop in, take it for a quick drive up here, test out the acceleration, test out the braking, U-turns, reverse, that kind of stuff. I'll be quiet now and give you the walk around. Those seats will fold down, give you more pass-through room. Backup camera, and the pop of your pony. Color keyed mirrors, roof I showed earlier. Good. Pass what I was telling you about. Like that. Pony. We need gas. Luckily we're not going too far. There's some of the readings. By clicking these buttons we can go through. Horn test? I don't see anybody, so I don't think we're making anybody mad. So let's go ahead and start off. Definitely got that tight sport suspension. Conditioner off. Try that. Try the acceleration test. And we had a truck there, so we didn't want to try it right then. Give that guy a little fright. Let's try that again. Acceleration test part 2. Alright, dead stop. Air conditioner's off. And yep, you can light them up. And this is the smaller engine. So now we're going to do a U-turn test here around this pole. Oh, that is tight. That is tight. Do like that. As you can hear, I don't know if you can hear the screeching. It'll light tires fairly easily. See if I can get it to go into 20 and then just come to a stop. Test out the braking. Okay, that's good. That's nice. And now we're going to test the backup. We have to go into reverse here. Gotta turn, and the thing I like, see how these turn and show you where you're going to end up, these white streaks here. Which is nice, and it has a little bit of a bird's eye. Back on, it's a warm day today. And I'll roll this window down to let you hear the road noise. There you have it, 2021 Ford Mustang. So we got the Mustang labeling here and the stitching. No box, additional badging, carbon fiber there. A console with additional charging, but you can charge all kinds of things. In the back seat. Hey, so thanks again for watching the South Bay Ford channel. Let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to give us a call. You can leave them in the comments below. We'll try to get to them as fast as we can. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.